Amaretto. All you need to know about Amaretto in 10 minutes or less. Amaretto is an Italian liqueur known for its almond flavor. It is made from almonds or apricot pits, along with some spices which are immersed in a base liquor, such as brandy or a natural alcohol. Characteristics. The word Amaretto is Italian for bitter or little bitter. The main characteristic is its sweet flavor. It's a fundamental ingredient in many cocktails, but without something to balance it, like bourbon or citrus, it can be syrupy. Also, Amaretto isn't the same as Amaro, which is another Italian liqueur. Origins. There are two families that claim the title of Amaretto inventors. One story says that the Lazzaroni family of Saronno created their Amaretto liqueur as a way to improve the flavor of their famous Amaretti cookies. The family began producing the Amaretto on a commercial scale in the mid-19th century. Unlike the Saronno, which is made from apricot kernels, Lazzaroni Amaretto is made from an infusion of their cookies. The Reina family, on the other hand, claims that the origin of Amaretto dates back to 1525. The story involves Bernardino Luini, a student of Leonardo da Vinci who was hired to paint for the church in Saronno. For his portrayal, he chose a local young widow as his muse. Grateful for the honor, she wanted to give him a special gift and created a unique liqueur made from apricot pits soaked in brandy. This liqueur was a precursor to what we know today as Amaretto. Production process. The process begins with selecting high-quality ingredients, primarily almonds or apricot pits, which are the base flavoring agents. Other ingredients may include spices such as vanilla, cinnamon, and cloves, as well as sweeteners like sugar or honey. The ingredients are crushed, releasing oils and flavors. Then, they are macerated in a base liquor spirit. Modern production may use a base of grape brandy, but it could be a neutral alcohol too. The infused alcohol mixture is sweetened to achieve the desired level of sweetness. Sugar or honey is usually added to balance the flavors and create the characteristic sweetness of Amaretto. Once the desired flavor is achieved, the liquor is filtered to remove any impurities, resulting in a clear liquid. After filtration, Amaretto is bottled and labeled for distribution. Bottles may be sealed with a cork or screw cap, depending on the producer's preference. Regions of production. Amaretto is produced mostly in Italy, where it was created. However, some variations of almond liqueurs are made in other countries as well. The most known region for the production of Amaretto is Lombardia, located in northern Italy, more specifically the town of Saronno. Other regions in Italy also produce Amaretto. Emilia-Romagna, located in the south of Lombardia, is another important region in Amaretto production. Distilleries in this region usually craft their own unique variations, using local ingredients and traditional methods. Outside of Italy, some countries produce almond liqueurs that may be similar to Amaretto but have distinct characteristics. Serving. Amaretto is usually served as a dessert drink. It can be enjoyed with ice or more commonly mixed with coffee and hot chocolates as a flavor enhancer or carbonated drinks for a different beverage. The almond liqueur pairs well with Coke or cranberry juice and is often used as a way to sweeten up a martini. Here are some popular cocktails that use Amaretto. Amaretto Sour. This cocktail was introduced to the public in 1874. Some believe it was made first in the United States, when an almond liqueur brand gained reputation. Ingredients. To make an Amaretto Sour, you need 1/5 ounces of Amaretto, 3/4 ounces of bourbon, ½ ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 egg, ice, and a cherry or lemon slice for garnish. First, add Amaretto, bourbon, lemon juice, simple syrup, and the egg into a shaker, and shake it with no ice. Second, Add ice and shake again. Then strain it into a glass filled with ice. And finally, garnish it with a lemon twist. Named after the popular film The Godfather, it's really easy to make. Regardless of its exact origin, the Godfather cocktail gained popularity as a simple yet sophisticated drink. Ingredients: to make a Godfather, you need 1.5 ounces of Amaretto, 1/2 ounces of whiskey and ice. First, fill a glass 2/3 of ice. Then, add the whiskey and Amaretto. Finally, give it a quick stir. Popular brands: Disaronno. This is probably the most well-known and iconic Amaretto brand globally. Created in the 16th century in Saronno, Italy, Disaronno has achieved international recognition and is sold in over 160 countries worldwide. It is a historic Italian distillery known for its premium liqueurs, founded in 1821 by Girolamo Luxardo in Zadar, Croatia. The Luxardo family relocated to Torreglia, Italy, where they continued with its Amaretto production. It offers more than just Amaretto, and it is best known for its iconic maraschino liqueur. Whether enjoying a classic cocktail like the popular Amaretto sour added to coffee or used in baking for its sweetness, Amaretto has a unique flavor. If you haven't tried it yet, you should do it and judge by yourself. And if you want to know more about a specific or your favorite liqueur, leave a like and a comment below.